Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money on the Neteller application. So first you will need to download it. You will need to have it on your phone so you can download it from either the App Store if you have iOS or the Android, the Play Store if you have an Android phone. And basically you are just going to search for Neteller, and basically it is this green application, and then you will need just to download it, and after that you will need to click on open, and after that you will need to create an account. So as you can see, you will need to create an account and log into it, and basically you will do it by signing up with your email and adding your personal information, the name, your country, etc. After that, you will find this home page where it contains this toolbar at the bottom, and basically all you need to do is to click on withdraw, and then you will need to have your linked card or your bank card to be linked to your account. And basically after you link your card, you will have a button that is called transfer or withdraw to my bank account. So you will need just to click now under the bank account. You will find it here, and then you will choose the bank accounts or all the cards that you have just linked, and of course you will click on the bank account, and then you will have the choice to add the money or the amount of money that you want to withdraw, and after that you will just going to confirm. So basically this is all you can do to withdraw your money in Neteller. Thank you for watching and see you next time.